First, pressing Windows key plus D minimizes all open windows. Second, pressing Alt plus Tab allows you to switch between open applications quickly. Third, press Ctrl plus C to copy it and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Fourth, pressing Windows key plus L locks your computer and takes you to the login screen. Fifth, pressing Ctrl plus Z will revert your last action. Sixth, pressing Windows key plus E opens up File Explorer instantly. Seventh, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape opens the Task Manager quickly. Eighth, press Ctrl plus F to search for specific information within a document or web page. Ninth, pressing Windows key plus Print Screen takes a screenshot and saves it to your Pictures folder. Tenth, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T makes your recently closed tab magically reappear. Did you know every shortcut? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching.